Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I want to talk to you about free and also paid WordPress themes. So I want to talk to you about what are the benefits of a paid theme, in comparison to a free theme, and when you should buy a paid theme and when you can use the free theme. So right now here I want to show you we are on the WordPress theme library, and here you can see these are all free themes. So free themes with the option to buy the pro package, as of course. And yeah, for example, they have a ton of themes here. So for example, I really like the Cadence theme here. So let's click here on the Cadence theme, and for example, this Cadence theme is a really good starter theme. So you can build really cool sites, but the downside is here if you want to make some changes in the color, or even you want to try another font, or want to implement an animation or a CSS animation or something like this, then yeah, you are limited, and then you have to buy the pro version of the theme. And I really don't like this because yeah, the pro version of these themes are really expensive, and for what they offer, I don't know if this is worth it. So if you are a WordPress professional, of course, then you can use this, and then you know the tricks where you can insert the code to change the theme, or yeah, to style the theme as you want. But if you are a WordPress beginner, or you don't know how to insert the code in the right place, then it's a little bit difficult. So for example, the Cadence theme, if you install it, yeah, you can of course build really cool website with it. But yeah, in some cases you are stuck behind a paywall because yeah, the functions that this theme would offer is yeah, not available for the free version of the theme. So, and for example, if you want to upgrade for example, the Cadence theme here, then you have the free version, of course, and then it starts with $129 per year. And I think this is really expensive. So for this price, I would say it's not worth it to go with the Cadence Pro version, because it's so pricey. The same goes for Astra. So I really like the Astra theme, because yeah, it's a really good theme. The theme is fast, and it's really easy to use. For me, it's really easy to use, but if you are familiar with the theme, then yeah, it's a really great theme. But the same is here. You see, you have all these relatively good looking themes, free themes. But yeah, and of course you have the premium themes. But for example, when you choose, for example, this theme, this is free, and you install it on your WordPress website, and yeah, you can get fast to a point where yeah, you are limited with the customization what the theme offers. If you want to change something, and you click on the button for for the option to change, I don't know, the font or an animation, then you are stuck at a paywall, and yeah, you have to pay good money. And the other thing here is the, I think that these themes are really good, but yeah, they are more basic. And if you know what I mean, so the animation is really reduced, CSS effects, and all the good stuff. And yeah, this is really limited. And for example, if you want to choose a premium theme, then of course they the themes have really good animation, and everything looks good. But when you go here to the pricing plan of Astra, you can see it's not that ridiculous expensive like the Cadence theme, but it's, yeah, it's expensive as well. Yeah, so This is 47 for the smallest package here, and I don't even know if this is yeah, this is annually. Okay, for 1 year. So lifetime it's 227. This is yeah, really expensive. So if you are not so good, my recommendation is if you are a beginner, then start with the free, I don't know, Cadence theme, for example, or WP Astra theme. Start with these themes, free themes, and try to build there and yeah, make yourself familiar with the theme, how everything works, how the page builder works. And yeah, you can do that, of course. And now I want to show you a really good source where you can get really high quality themes, paid themes, of course, but these themes are over the top, so or most of them. So the source I'm talking about, or the website, is Theme Forest, and Theme Forest is a huge library of themes, plugins, codes, video, audio, graphics, photos, 3D files, you name it. So if you are searching for a specific plugin solution, then you can go to Theme Forest or Code Canyon. You can find it here, and let me show you real quick what they have to offer. So if we go to WordPress and then we choose, for example, popular items, and click here, now you can see they have these themes here. But the good part is, let's for example choose this. Why not? Or what else do we have? This is the shop. Yeah, let's choose this. Why not? So, and with this, the good thing here, the developers of the theme are very good. They doing really high quality themes, and because they are all, the developers are all on this platform, and they are competing with each other for yeah, for making sales. So they have to, the themes from them have to really be over the top, and they offer really good stuff. So, and you can see for this theme here, it is $39 lifetime. And you get support, yeah, 6 months of high quality support with every theme. So if you are, yeah, have any questions or any problems, I don't know, with the installation or whatever, then you open a ticket, and in most cases they will answer in I don't know, a few hours. And you can see with these themes, they have so much built into the theme. Here in this theme, they have an, for example, they are, this is included an AI writing assistant. So yeah, the assistant helps you with creating text for your website, and this is included in the $39. Yeah, and all the effects, so you can see, let us, and you can see here down below here, you can see okay, the changelog. Here you can see the theme is updated almost every month. They are bringing a new free update. If you bought the theme, then of course you get all the updates, and they really care about it. They have to care about it because they are competing with all these excellent developers, theme developers on this platform, and their theme have to be over the top and always yeah, they have to be always updated, and so on and so on. And you can, if you like one of the themes, you can search for a theme or for a keyword, and every theme you can, you have a preview, and here you can see, let me see here, an overview. And here you can see if you buy this for $39, for example, this, you have different themes, different styles of the themes. Here, for example, you can install the software version, the corporate version, the marketing agency version. And yeah, they are on ThemeForest. They are offering so much because they have to compete with all these excellent developers here. And yeah, it sounds a little bit low, the $39, but yeah, of course they make a volume. They sell, I don't know, 10 per day, or I don't know how much they sell, but they sell, I think, a lot of themes packages per week or per month. So they can give you a good price here on the theme, and you can see how much yeah, pre-made styles or pre-made layouts you get with this theme alone. And you find on the marketplace, you find thousands of different themes. This was only one theme, and in his theme you have so much insight, and you can click on every theme, and then you can see look, for example, my mouse pointer first has a really cool animation. So this is the first, and yeah, a kind of hover animation. This is what you don't get with a free cadence, or even a free paid cadence, or paid WooCommerce. WP Astra. You can see all these animation, hover over animation, and yeah, the slide in animations. And I think if you are yeah, take a little bit or yeah, search a little bit, then you will find definitely your favorite theme here. Of course, there are of course more expensive themes. For example, this theme here is $69, but then of course there is even more work inside of this theme, because yeah, the developer has to make a point why the theme is more expensive than the theme left and right. So yeah, I think this theme, if I would click on this, then it has more cool animations or more options or more everything. So I think you understand what I mean. And yeah, so in conclusion, if you're starting out with WordPress, if you want to build your first WordPress website, or your second or your third WordPress website, and you don't care so much about animations or effects or whatever, then of course go with the free stuff. I do it as well. I go as well with the free WP Astra or Cadence themes, because I like the theme, and if you know what you're doing, then you can make these themes really good. And in many cases, there is no need for this extensive customization option. So yeah, if you are yeah, test this out, this Cadence theme, or even go to WP Astra. And of course, I will link every website I show you here. I will link in the video description down below. You can check it out for yourself. And yeah, what I want to say, go maybe Cadence or with the free Astra themes here, and you can see it's even more sites. And yeah, but if you want really high over the top quality and customization options over and over, and really good support, then yeah, you can go to ThemeForest and check out all the themes, and you can even filter by price. When you go to the homepage here, you can see you have the option to search for specific keywords. If you want to build, I don't know, a WordPress website for a restaurant, then type in restaurant website WordPress, or restaurant WordPress, and then you will get 100 of restaurant themes with really good really good value, so really good animation and all that good stuff. Yeah, and so that's it for the video. Like I said, I will link every site in the video description down below. And yeah, if you found this video interesting, if you learned something new in this video, I would appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up, and I would even more appreciate if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I will bring out more and more videos about WordPress, WooCommerce, web design, and all the good stuff. And yeah, that's it for now. So thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.